Hello guys, what's up? Highly welcome you to the official YouTube channel of King Sam Graphics. This is King Sam right here. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel for more graphic design contents, and if you are old here, thank you for coming back. Alright, so today our mission here is very simple. I want to show you guys how to use the bezier tool in pixellab. I know this tool, using it becomes a bit funny when I say you are very new to this app. So I'm going to show you how to use the bezier tool right in pixellab. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so just go ahead and delete this test right here because we don't need it in this tutorial. Okay, so just click on the bezier tool right here this way. Okay, so see, this is the general interface for the bezier tool. This is what we are going to use to work right here. So I'm going to walk you through all these features right here so you could easily understand what's going on here. Alright, so starting with the plus sign right here, what it does is like an addition. So the shape right there, if you want to add to it, just click on it this way. Can you see it? So that's how it works. If you want to make duplicate, if you want to add to what is already there, just click on it and it will do exactly that for you. So you could see addition and subtraction, they work in opposite directions. So that one is for addition, you can add, and the subtraction to subtract or delete some of the shapes. So depending on what you want to do, you can easily move within those two. Can you see it? Yes. And then the next one is the arrow to the left and then one to the right this way. So what the tool does is, if you want to move in between the shapes, you can use that. That's the selection I'm talking about. So this one, you can see it's moving this way. Can you see? So depending on the one you want to select, you can easily click on these things, or the arrow to the right and then one to the left to easily move in between the shapes right there. Can you see it? Yes. So the next one to talk about is the copy sign right there. Can you see it? You can make duplicate as many as you want. It works say the same way as the plus sign right here, by a bit in different direction. Can you see it? Yes. So this is how it works. Okay, so let me delete for it to remain one. Okay, so moving on, the next one is this one. This tool helps to adjust the shape right there. Can you see it? If you want to adjust this shape depending on the kind of design you want to achieve, yes, very nicely like this. So use that one to adjust what's going on. Okay, so the next one is this one. Okay, so this is the move tool. You can easily move this shape around to any part of the screen that you want. So whichever part of the screen you want to move this, you can easily move it to that side. Okay, so the next one we are moving on, I want to add another point to this shape. Okay, so let's say I want to just click on any part of the screen. Just click on this one here and then click on any part of the screen. Okay, so the next one we move on, just click on this one. Can you see it that way? This removes points from what is going on. So this is my points right there. So it remove the points we've added. Can you see it that way? Can you see it remove the points? Okay, so the next one we are moving on is this one right there. What this one does is encloses the shape. So the points you've made, if you click on that one, it encloses it. So if you want to enclose what we've done, just click on that one to move on. So this one opens it up, this one closes it, opens, close. Can you see it? Good. And then this one is for the scaling. If you want to scale it up, scale it down, scale it up, scale it down. So that's how that one too works. Okay, all right, so the next one is the rotation tool. This one, if you want to rotate it to any angle that you want, you can easily do that with this rotation tool right here. Okay, so let's move on. So the next step you are moving is the opacity. This is opacity. So if you want to fill the shape, just click the opacity way to 100%. So whichever way you want to go, if you want 36%, you can easily do that from here. So that's the opacity. Okay, and then the fill color. So say I've increased the opacity to this level. The fill color, you can easily change the color right from here. Can you see it that way? Yes, that's how it works. That's how it works. Okay, so the next one is the stroke. The stroke is the border around the shape right there. So you can increase the stroke with, can you see this way to 60, or decrease it way to 0. Okay, and then the next one is the tip of the stroke. How do you want it to behave? Do you want it to be a round edge, a very tip, or a very thick end? Can you see it? So that's how that one too works. To see the round edges and then the thick ones, I want to show you. So let me open it up this way, and then this is the round edge. Look at the tiny or the thin edge. Can you see it? And this is the thick one. So that's the difference between them. Okay, so that's the difference between them. So basically, this is how to use the bezier to write in pixellab. This is very, very simple, and I think this video is going to help you. So really master it, learn it very well, because it's going to really guide you into your, or help you in your designing. Okay, so really take your time and then learn this skill very well, because it's going to help you in your designing. So if you have any problem, if you have any comment, please leave your comment in the comment section and I'll address them in the right time. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more graphic design contents. Be with me throughout this journey, and God is going to bless you. Thank you, and see you in my next upload.